This image right here is going to be one of the last things you see in this video. No intro, man. Let's just hop straight into it, bro. Alright. You already know we're going Lucky Town. I think I jumped way too early. Yeah, I definitely did. Oh god, I think I... Buddy, I wasn't even in this fight. Why y'all... Wait, why is this dude AFK? Ain't this dude from earlier? Oh my god, plus the Gatling? Alright, basic fist, let's go. I'm gonna actually make this a basic fist video. F it. I'm gonna go crazy with basic fist. Yeah, oh this is, oh yeah, let's go, buddy. Yeah, you wasn't expecting that stun, huh? You know you in trouble. That's so blockable. I literally swung too early. Who is this dude? Where are you coming from? Holy god. I don't think you can run anymore. Bro. I'm tired of the third parties. I'm gonna fight. Is there any healables in here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Dude, look at this dude. Stop this madness.
Oh!
Yep, look at you. He's a team risk. I did not know this man. We are not good. Trust me. Why would he try? Alright, that's two of them. We don't hear someone fighting. You know what I'm just at? The third party demon. Yeah, we about to watch this fight. Who y'all got?
You serious, my brother?
Stun you. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to.
Oh my
I can't let that man heal off me. Alright, so it's very tempting now to use World Ender, but do I really want to stick to the basic fist when I have a World Ender in my inventory?
We must stay focused, brothers. We must stay focused.
That's the world. Oh, so the World Ender dude won. Suke? Come on, bro. He tried it. I can't see. Oh, he's doing the little block glitch. Anyone who does that glitch is sorry. Try a little glitch where you could block and drink a potion. It's not supposed to be like that. I don't know why. Is he gonna do a little block glitch again? You're running with World Ender. That's your second pot and you keep glitching on me, bruh. Come on, brody. I ain't even used one pot yet. You keep using the glitch.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Alright. That's his third pot, y'all.
Go.
Okay, there's someone just watching a fight.
God damn!
What's that, pot number 20? I'm not fighting this man no more. He's actually annoying to fight. I'm gonna try to fight this dude. He has sight. I don't know. You think you're gonna hit me? Realistically, just let it go, bro. You're not hitting me. You're wasting your time. Oh, you want to... Wow. I've never been hit by that. That was not fun.
Try!
Why am I frozen like? Oh god. Okay. Might die right here. Actually, I might just push. My stuff was on cooldown. See ya. Holy god. Gotta go back for that. Holy, I almost just killed myself for that. A lot of people seem to have like Roku and stuff like that. I'll get out this circle. Like, bro, why do you have to third party me? I'm definitely gonna get my kill stolen. Nope. Shoot mine. Bro, did the dude just use the blink? Bro, can you stop running? Bro, get off of me, bro. Get out of here. Wait.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to...
Bro, what? There's no way. And he just won because of you. Are you serious? Nah, bruh. That match though. I don't know if I had 10,000, 9,000. I'll take it. It's basic fist.